Hey there everyone, working on this Ford Lincoln Navigator 2001. Trying to figure out what happened here. It was running and then quit running. I'm checking the fuses and decided, since I had no fuel pressure coming out of the fuel rail down there, checked, no pressure at all with the key on. I'm trying this battery voodoo and trying to drain the battery. Apparently it's supposed to reset all the codes on these Lincoln Navigators or Fords in general 2000 models, so we'll see. When I got in and tried to start it, it said theft right up there and just wasn't quite working out for me, so not exactly. Some lights came on. Not exactly sure why these lights are on. They weren't on. I just started this truck not too long ago. It's 2001 Lincoln Navigator. I know I'm not out of gas. Makes a beeping noise there. Orange shades. Got some good music though. Conclusion: battery voodoo did not work on a Ford Lincoln Navigator. Alright guys, Casey, whoa. Next up, we're going to go ahead and pull that gray box out of there. See if that resets it. Also going to disconnect the battery. Negative on it. And we can do that now. Just tuck that down out of the way. Probably should disconnect the positive too and just let this whole system go dead, but we'll get to that in a minute. I'll let you guys know the conclusion.